Say goodbye to store-bought lemonade. Discover how to craft your own fermented lemonade that's miles ahead in both taste and health benefits. I'm Feroz, and today we're going to be diving into more fermentation and learning how to make fermented lemonade. But this is no ordinary lemonade. This is Finnish Sima, a traditional, healthy, tasty alternative. Sima is typically drunk on Vappu, which is the Finnish May Day, but you can enjoy it all year round. Let's get started and transform the way you think about lemonade. For this recipe we need 2 litres of water, 2 large lemons, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, plus a little extra for later, 1/8 teaspoon of yeast and a few raisins. First off, let's prepare the lemons. Wash them thoroughly, peel them, then squeeze out the juice. Some people just slice them thinly, but the white pith can make your lemonade a little bitter. Just slice if you want an easier life and the taste doesn't bother you. The peel is going to be the thing that really boosts our lemony flavour though, so don't leave that out. In a large pot, bring the water to a boil. Once boiling, turn off the heat, add both sugars, stirring until dissolved. Then add your lemon peel and juice. Leave everything to cool to room temp, then add your yeast. Now simply leave it and wait till the magic starts. After 24 hours or so, you should start seeing bubbles. Fermentation has started and we're going to bottle it. Add a teaspoon of sugar to your bottle and add a few raisins to your strained mixture. The raisins are a traditional way to know when your lemonade is ready. When the raisins rise to the surface, it's good to drink. Seal the bottles, then pop them in the fridge for a day or two. Don't keep the bottles unopened for too long though, or you're going to have exploding lemonade bombs in your fridge. Keep checking on those raisins and enjoy when they rise to the top. How simple was that? Never buy lemonade again, and subscribe for more fermentation ideas. Cheers.